Hello, my friends. Welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to learn all about the sight word my. The word is my. M-Y. Let's read it together. My. That means it belongs to me. Let's practice writing the word my together. First, we write the M. Then we write the Y. Fantastic! Let's read a story with the sight word my in it. The story is called My Pet Duck. My pet duck is yellow and soft. Let's read it together. My pet duck is yellow and soft. Now you read it. Fantastic! I keep my duck in a little pen. Let's read it together. I keep my duck in a little pen. Now you read it. Fantastic! My duck loves to splash in the water. Let's read it together. My duck loves to splash in the water. Now you read it. Great job! I made a pond for my duck. Let's read it together. I made a pond for my duck. Now you read it. Amazing! I named my duck Gus. Let's read it together. I named my duck Gus. Now you read it. Fantastic! My duck makes me laugh. Let's read it together. My duck makes me laugh. Now you read it. Great job! I love my pet duck. Let's read it together. I love my pet duck. Now you read it. Amazing! I hope you enjoyed learning all about the sight word my with me. Please subscribe to the channel so I can make more fun videos. Thank you!